Welcome to our quick guide on enhancing your Roblox render distance. Ready to level up your game? Let's dive in. Render distance is how far away you can see objects in the game. A higher render distance means a stunning view. To boost your render distance, open Roblox's Settings menu. It's your gateway to enhanced performance. Next, find the Graphics Quality slider. Adjusting this will immediately impact how far you can see. Increase the slider for maximum visibility. Enjoy breathtaking landscapes as you explore. Don't forget, higher graphics may slow down your device. Find a balance between beauty and performance. In summary, higher render distance transforms your Roblox experience. Happy gaming! Explore different worlds and enjoy the view. Keep experimenting with your settings. Share your lovely landscapes with friends. Show off your skills and stunning views. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your gaming in Roblox. Subscribe for updates. Happy rendering! See you next time in the Roblox universe.